Is the signal good? Guys, are we alright? It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. You can hear that woman saying shoo. Oh, you see the little bird? Look, Melanie, can you see that? Look. I don't know what sort of bird is that. Can you see? Oh, that's gorgeous. See it there? It's got like a yellow tip, yellow bottom. It's just going near that. Can you see it? There, right in the centre. Oh, it's gone. This is very impressive. I really love this place. Wag